Wagwan people, how wanna do? People, some years ago when we used to live at my father's yard, I come home one evening about 7 o'clock. So I buy some food. When I reach my yard now, I see that room like ants. I realize that my brother there. Me and him stay in one little room apart from the main house or on the property. So, me buy some curry goat and people, if you read the rule book, it say, you know, if you share curry goat is not something that you share. Curry goat are nice something you can't share, but if you have two plates, you can't share. But I one minute have people. So, me come up with a brilliant idea now. Before me go in that room, me say, me I gonna left the curry goat outside. Yeah, the nice curry goat. Me I gonna left it outside. Go in the room, change off to my yard clothes, and then do two things, and then come out back and deal with the curry goat people. So, I left the food outside pan some black what they have, and we have the bad pan them turn over pan it. So I left it out there, so go in that room, change off, linger around, look left, look right, and come back. People when me step through the door, people when me step back through the door for fight my curry goat. People, me see one look at dirty puss have him mouth in me. People, me I get emotional now, there's a talk about it. People, one puss eat rat, puss eat roach, puss eat everything. And even me look at dirty about people, me run down the puss round at the yard and then climb up on the wall and escape from me. People, me can't believe it. People, me the hungry, but at that time, people me the know hungry, angry, and miserable. People, if me did, people, me almost get heart attack that night. The people, me all I get emotional and talk about it. People, there is one lesson me learn that night. The one lesson me learn that night. The people, yes, when you hide food, make sure it's a puss dog, nor rat can touch it. People, me I get emotional, right? I know me get emotional. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Don't keep the fun to yourself. Share it with your friends and family. And remember, click that notification bell because YouTube will not send you anything more from me. Until next time, big up yourself and stay strong.